Before starting to talk about the Facebook Pixel, I want to welcome the 5 to 10 subscribers we get every single day. So I quickly drew a subscriber play button for the 1,420 subscribers we've got, because we ain't getting to 100,000 at that pace really soon. It will only take us 30 years at this pace. So when I'm over 50, we can hand something on that wall. No, really, man, that's retarded. Make sure you subscribe so you get to that goal within the next 12 months. That aside, let's get to the point. I do not want to waste any of you guys' time. Make sure you stick until the end, because everything you are about to hear will bring value. First up, who am I, and am I credible to talk about e-commerce as a subject? As you can see here, every single week my business brings in between $15,000 to $20,000 of revenue, regardless if it's Q4, Q1. This is the minimum amount of revenue we do per week. Although I'm no expert, I can definitely give you some tips that other people will charge thousands of dollars for. In this video, the tip we will go over is really simple. It's installing the Facebook Pixel. First up, you should know that there are two types of pixel: the Facebook Conversion Pixel and the Facebook Custom Audience Pixel. But Facebook discontinued the Facebook Conversion Tracking Pixel back in 2017. If you were using the Facebook Conversion Pixel, you might want to update your code. Nowadays, the Facebook Pixel, as we call it, does the job in both scenarios. Actually, in more than 2 scenarios. You need to set up a Facebook Pixel as soon as you launch your website. Not doing so is like paying for overpriced dinner and not eating the main course. The main value you get from your customers is on the backend side. Retargeting them with ads, making lookalike audiences, tracking events on your website, and stimulating new events on your website similar to the past ones. And a bunch of more things, like targeting people who are stuck at checkout, who initiated checkout, didn't finish it, who just added to cart without initiating a checkout. You, the entrepreneur, and yes, you are an entrepreneur, even if you have a small Shopify or a small e-commerce online local business, spend so much capital and labor to acquire customers, and since those customers are so valuable, you spend so much to acquire them, you want to get as much as possible from them. You do not want to miss the main course. Needless to say, this way customer acquisition costs lower and the profits you get per customer are higher, which gives you more marketing options which your competitors might not be tapping into. Okay, so how do you install the Facebook Pixel? It's pretty simple. You go on Manage Ads, you click Events, then you click Pixels, then create a pixel, type in the name, the URL, and you're pretty much set. Then you can edit yourself or choose the third option to email it to your developer, and this is what I did. Something really important that people miss is setting up events on your Pixel. Here is a list of some events that you need to add, and you should make sure you double check with your developer. If you didn't edit, you double check with your developer that he added them, because otherwise you will not be getting the full potential. You can see some of the options on the screen and I'll read them for you. View content, sometimes it's important. Search, this can show some interest in the products. Add to wish list, that's a really good thing to add as an event, because then you can retarget people with special discounts and promotions for the items they added to wishlist. This is the purpose of wishlist, to follow up. Add to cart, still you can see which items were added to cart, retarget those, or retarget people that added to cart. Initial checkout, the same thing. Add payment info, maybe he had an issue with that. This is really important as well. Purchase, obviously that's really good. Upsell, subscribe if it's a paid subscription service. Start trial, complete registration, contact, find location. So these are some events that you might want to add depending on your business. Maybe you don't need to subscribe or you don't need the search function if you're doing one product Shopify, or you know, it really depends on the business and on your niche. But as I said, it's really important to set up your Facebook pixel the proper way. If you guys like this video, make sure you like it. And to be honest, this will really lower the chances of a dinosaur stepping over you in the next 24 hours. So the sooner you subscribe to the channel, not only you will be safe, but your family as well from that dinosaur that's probably coming to your home. It was a real pleasure talking to you guys today, and I hope I catch you guys in the next one. A video a day keeps the doctor away. What? You thought it was over? Don't you see the videos over here? Or over here? Those bring great value. You should watch them, man.